Hey everyone and welcome to this video. If you're building custom WordPress websites, Metabox is one of the most advanced tools for creating custom fields and content structures. Let's go through how to get a discount using the referral link below to this video. But firstly, I would like to make a quick navigation on the website to understand what it offers. So Metabox offers extensions for custom fields, post types, and taxonomies, integration with Elementor, Bricks, Oxygen, and Gutenberg, lifetime and annual licenses. So actually, also if you scroll down, you have the full description of the different products of what it offers. My recommendation to you is really take some time, scroll down, read carefully, because sometimes there are some features that maybe you didn't know, which actually can help you to unlock more for your career, for your job, for the project you need to make. So there are starter bundles and developer packages. Just don't purchase directly. Use our referral link to access hidden promo pricing. Guys, once again, click the referral link in the description before buying, otherwise you will not get access to discounted prices. Use Metabox like a pro and pay much less while this offer is still active.